How to use laptop for beginners. If you own Mac OS, then this video is for you. On the top, you will see Apple icon from where you can log into your account in your laptop. You can sign in your Apple ID, and here you will see system preferences. From here, you can change all of the settings you want in your device. You can add touchpad or you can change your keyboard, anything that is related to laptop from here. On the bottom of your screen, you will see a pop-up from where you can choose Launchpad, where you will find all of the application. If you don't have any application there, you will see App Store. From here, you can easily download any application you want in your device. So that was it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.